In 2026, Finland is actively hiring foreign workers, and some jobs are paying over 6,000 euros per month. But here's the catch. Most people fail because they follow the wrong process. In this video, I'll show you where to find real Finland jobs, how much you can actually earn, and the exact visa process, step by step. Finland is facing a labor shortage in multiple sectors, and they are hiring international workers legally. But remember, there is no direct job visa. You need to apply for a residence permit. Let's start with the most important part: jobs and salaries. In-demand jobs in Finland, 2026. Finland is currently hiring in these sectors: IT and tech, software developers, cloud engineers, and data analysts. High demand for this sector is due to digital growth. Next comes healthcare with nurses, caregivers, and support workers. There's massive shortage due to aging population. Next comes construction and skilled trades with electricians, plumbers, welders, and CNC operators. Also, hospitality and service jobs like housekeeping staff, cleaners, kitchen assistants, and restaurant workers. Last but not the least, factory and warehouse jobs like packaging staff, machine operators, and logistics workers. Salary in Finland, 2026, realistic range. Here's what foreign workers typically earn. For IT jobs, 3,500 to 6,500 euros per month. Healthcare, 2,500 to 4,000 euros per month. Construction, skilled workers, 2,500 to 3,500 euros per month. Hospitality, cleaning, 1,800 to 2,500 euros per month. And factory jobs, 2,000 to 3,000 euros per month. Salary must meet Finnish standards, otherwise your visa can be rejected. Best job websites for Finland. Use these trusted platforms. There's no agent needed. TE Services, Työmarkkinatori, which is Finland's official government job portal and the most reliable one. LinkedIn, Indeed. EURES, which is the official European job mobility portal for jobs all over Europe. Dunatori Finnish job portal, Monster job search platform, Oikoti Jobs Finland portal, and Glassdoor job and salary platform. You should apply directly on these sites and avoid middlemen or agents. Important reality check before you apply. You need a valid job offer. Employer must be genuine. Salary must meet legal requirements. Finland has become stricter in 2026. Fake jobs, instant rejection. Finland work visa process, step-by-step 2026. Now let's break down the exact process. Step 1, get a job offer. Apply via job portals. Attend interviews and receive an official contract. This is the most important step. Step 2, choose permit. Type work permit, TTOL, specialist permit, high skilled, or EU blue card. Your salary decides which permit you qualify for. Step 3. Apply online through the official Enter Finland immigration portal. Documents to upload would be your passport, job contract, education documents, and insurance. Step 4. Biometrics. Visit VFS Center or embassy near you and submit fingerprints and photographs. Application starts processing only after this. Step 5. Processing time for 2026. 4 to 12 weeks, on average. Faster for high-skilled workers. New rules, 2026 update. You cannot work on a tourist visa anymore. PR now takes around 6 years. Language skills required for long-term stay. And salary checks are stricter. Benefits, you can earn in euros. Family can join you, and high quality of life with a PR pathway. Finland is a great opportunity in 2026. But only if you follow the correct steps and apply through the right platforms. If you want CV format for Finland, direct job links, step-by-step guidance, email us directly or comment your job profile and I'll help you with your chances of moving to Finland.